Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations with variables. In this video, we will learn how to solve for the variable x in the equation 3 times x plus 6 equals 18. Follow along step by step as we break down the process and find the value of x. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve the equation 3x plus 6 equals 18, the first goal is to isolate the term with the variable, which is 3x. To do this, we need to eliminate the plus 6 from the left side of the equation. We can do that by performing a subtraction operation. We subtract 6 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. So let's rewrite the equation by subtracting 6 from both sides. 3x plus 6 minus 6 equals 18 minus 6. This simplifies to 3x equals 12. Notice how the plus 6 and minus 6 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with just the term 3x. On the right side, 18 minus 6 equals 12. After this step, our new equation is 3x equals 12. This concludes step 1. Step 2. In this step, our goal is to solve for the variable x by isolating it completely on one side of the equation. Currently, we have the equation 3x equals 12. To isolate x, we need to remove the coefficient 3 that is multiplying it. We can do this by performing a division operation. We will divide both sides of the equation by 3 to keep it balanced. Let's rewrite the equation as 3x divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3. This simplifies to x equals 12 divided by 3, which can be further simplified. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So we now have x equals 4. This means that the value of x, which makes the original equation true, is 4. This concludes step 2 and solves the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.